Krishna from Vaikuntha Padidas here. So today I just want to do Sankirtan. I just want to tell about the importance of Sankirtan Yajna. So once I just finish the Kirtan, then I just at the end I just give the importance and few tips of Sankirtan and Nam.
Hare
guys, the Sankirtan movement in this Kali Yuga is very very important, because we can just see many people suffering from different disease. Like example, we can just take this Corona also. We should have complete faith on the Naam. Krishna himself, we can just see as a Nama Rupa. When we just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this is the only solution, because the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a Kali Yuga avatar, which is recommended in the Sankirtan Yagana, recommended very strongly in this Kali Yuga, because in this Kali Yuga it's really recommended. It's Dukhalayam Ashashvatam. It's full of dukkha, and it's everything is temporary. We can just tell this. Janma Vritti Jara Vyadhi also. So we can't escape from this Janma Vritti Jara Vyadhi. This is the 4 types of disease. It's a permanent. The birth, old age, disease, and death. These things cannot be changed. So that's why Srila Prabhupada is clearly recommending, just chant Hare Krishna. All your problems will be solved. How we can just engage our senses 24 hours, how we can just think Krishna by chanting. Because human beings have different varieties of problems and different varieties of engagement will be there. So due to that, the lack of that engagement, we are completely forgetting our the strong relationship with Krishna, our eternal relationship. We are not able to identify our real consciousness, what we are supposed to do, and what we are supposed not to do. Why? Because mind plays a very important role. Mind. Because when the person, one who just takes, one who acts, one who just make his mind as very friendly, then it goes very smoother. And same way, this mind becomes enemy, one who is not able to control. And the person controls, he becomes peaceful manner. When one who is not able to control his mind, the mind himself becomes a worst enemy. So how we can just come out from this? By chanting, means self-purification. Means in Bhagavad Gita also clearly Srila Prabhupada is mentioning, means we should try to understand Krishna, the absolute truth. Means Krishna is an incarnation who is incarnated in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Means avatar means what? It's the absolute truth. We should just believe that. Absolute truth. We should have faith. When we just believe, okay, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is absolute truth, we should accept it without any doubt. Without any doubt, we should accept this Mahamantra without any deviation, without any doubts. So that's what in this Kali Yuga, just simply we should just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When we just chant, for all our problems, we automatically it will vanish like anything. If we have strong faith within our heart, within our Krishna will just take care of everything. We should believe Krishna is in the form of Nama Rupa. Krishna is in the form of Sankirtana. That's what we are just able to do. Sankirtana means when 2 or 3 persons, when we just join, combine and do Kirtan together. That's what Sankirtana. 3 or 4 people do Kirtan, remembering Krishna. What happens when you just remember Krishna, that becomes a Chetadarpana Marjam, it's a self-purification process. What happens when our heart gets purified, automatically we just start thinking Krishna. Due to our modern technology, most of the people, they engage in their work, everything, they mix up everything. And they commit suicide. Many of the things is happening in this modern world due to our modern technologies. And but we don't realize what we are supposed to do. We should understand in this Kali Yuga, we can be happy only through chanting the holy name. We can't be happy by identifying new technology, or I can be happy with a small TV, because kind of coming generation, no, most of the people are completely engaged in TV and mobile, Facebook and Instagrams. This is what, no, it's diverting our mind completely. We're just focusing because we are just conditioned soul. We should understand our purpose of life is to go back to Godhead. That one thing we should understand. With the intelligent person, what he does is he just he'll understand. Okay, this material world is completely, dukhalayam ashashvatam. Janma mriti jara vyadhi is there. We can't. It's very very tough to come out of from this cycle. We should think. Okay, only we should just surrender completely to Nama Rupa. We should just come surrender to Hare Krishna Mahamantra and just do Kirtan, that's it. But just do these two things and we'll be completely out of this Janma Mrityun Jara Vyadhi and Dukhalayam Ashashvatam. So always we should be very intelligent person and take it, this Mahamantra, very seriously, chant every day and do Kirtan. And if you are not able to Kirtan, at least listen Kirtan. Hare Krishna. So this Sankirtan, it was very useful for you all. So yours Vaikunta Patidas, Hare Krishna.